So, good afternoon. Please keep your self on unmute mode so that I can hear you. Welcome in the second year. Without giving examination, you are in the second year. This is the very first batch that I have seen without giving examination. The students are in a second year. So lucky you are, and you should be thankful to Corona that you are promoted without any uh, examination. But don't be so happy. The examinations are postponed. It is not cancelled yet, right? Right or wrong?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So are
Right,
you
ma'am.
ready to give the examination again?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Why? Why you are not ready? Huh? आवाज ब्रेक होतोय खूप तुमच्या लोकांचा. Why you are not ready?
हेलो मैम, सुना नहीं था.
Huh? Sorry, what?
सुना नहीं था मैम.
What?
आवाज नहीं आ रही मैम.
एक सेकंड ना, I will change my headphones. एक सेकंड.
Yes, मैम.
Okay. Now I am audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You are audible.
Ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
let it be regarding your examination. So this year I am taking your organon. If the online classes continue, I will take your the whole syllabus of your organon. And if the college started, then Shinde ma'am will also join us for the organon. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So I think the some portion of the organon has completed in the first year. Can somebody give me the definition of organon word? Now I am not taking pharmacy, I am taking organon. So please give me the definition of organon. Shall I ask, or somebody is giving answer?
मॅम
Huh?
मॅम प्रॉपर डेफिनेशन नाही माहित पण थोडं माहिती आहे.
हा, सांग ना.
मॅम इट हॅज homeopathic principles, the guidelines for implementation.
Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else?
Ma'am, it's a Greek word.
It's a Greek word. Okay. Anyone else?
Scientific investigation of medicine.
Right. Suchita, na?
Yes. It's a,
Yes, ma'am.
it is an element of thought.
Yes. So this organon word, it is derived from the word organum. The Lord Bacon was a philosopher. He wrote different books on the philosophy in the Greek. Dr. Hahnemann was very fond of reading different books in the different languages. He know 8 to 9 languages, and hence he continuously reading
12
books.
languages.
12. I forget it. Sorry. So he is very fond of. He was very क्या बोलते उसको curious रहते थे वो, so that he will get the different knowledges. So once he found that book of Lord Bacon regarding the philosophy, and the name of the book is the Organum, and he liked that word organum, and that's why he used the word organon. So organon means it is a scientific investigation. सो अभी साइंटिफिक इन्वेस्टिगेशन किस चीज की कर रहे हैं हम लोग? तो नेम, द फुल नेम इज ऑर्गेनन ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड फिलोसॉफी. सो ऑर्गेनन यानी scientific investigation of medicine. So we are doing the scientific investigation of our medicine, that is the homeopathic medicine. That is the meaning of organon of medicine. These small questions will ask by the examiner during viva, बिकॉज ये सब चीजें हम साल भर नहीं करते हैं. फिर इन द वेरी फर्स्ट लेक्चर एवरी लेक्चरर एक्सप्लेन द वर्ड ऑर्गेनॉन, व्हाट इज मेडिसिन, व्हाट इज फिलोसफी, एंड हेंस द एग्जामिनर आस्क ओनली these questions. So organon means scientific investigation. We are investigating the medicine, that is our weapon to treat our patient. That is a single thing by which we can treat, we can cure our patient. We are not only causes a recovery of the patient, but we want to cure that patient. So in the further aphorisms we will see what is the difference between the recovery and the cure. Recovery means only that patient feels better, but the patient having the symptoms, the cause is present, the symptoms are present, but in the cure there is a complete annihilation of the symptoms. That is the difference between the recovery and cure. The patient is not feeling complete ease in the recovery. So we have to give the medicine in a such a way that we should give cure to the patient, not the recovery. Clear? So this is the organon of medicine. We are finding out such medicine which is helpful to us to cure the patient, and we are finding the medicine scientifically. We are doing the investigation scientifically. The organon of medicine and philosophy. Philosophy यानी we are giving the much more explanation regarding that particular topic. So the aphorisms which are given in the 6th edition of Organon of Medicine, which was written by Dr. Hahnemann and translated by William Borick. So in that the aphorisms are there, 291 aphorisms are there in the 6th edition of Organon. So in that the aphorism की जो extra information जो रहती है according to the view of that particular author, that is nothing but the philosophy. So there are so many philosophies are present in the organon or in the field of homeopathy. In the second year you will have 3 philosophies: philosophy of Kant, philosophy of Stuart Close, and the philosophy of H.A. Robert. So among these 3 books are up to the 4th year. इसमें से जो 3-3, 4-4 chapters जो है from the Stuart Close and H.A. Robert, they are included in the 2nd and 3rd year, and in the 4th year you are having the whole book of H.A. Robert, of Stuart Close, and this year you are having at least 23 chapters from the lectures on philosophy by Dr. Kent. So the 3 philosophies we are learning in the 2nd year. Plus डजन का एक बुक आता है, that is a 5th edition है वो, that also we will take in the last part of our year. एकदम last लेंगे वो, डजन philosophy एक रहती है. But start हम लोग करेंगे from the aphorism, then side by side we will take the Kant philosophy. Kant philosophy से आप बोर हो जाओगे, again we will take aphorisms, then we will shift to the H.A. Robert and the Stuart Close. So this is the way we will complete our syllabus, and once all the chapters will get completed, we will move towards the dozens. Clear? Clear or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So hello
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya, what happened? What he is saying?
मी नाही बोललो.
नाही का? ओके.
हा.
एनी प्रॉब्लेम?
नो.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
ओके. कळतंय ना?
हो.
Okay. So organon actually is not new subject for you because some part of pioneers. Huh? What happened? Hello? What happened?
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay. So some part of organon you have completed in the first year, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. क्या क्या हो गया है आपका फर्स्ट ईयर में? Can somebody give me some points that you have completed in the first year?
7 cardinal principles. 7 cardinal.
Yes, ma'am. Good scientific पूरी history.
Pioneers.
Yes.
Then
And the 6 editions of organon.
okay. Then symptomatology,
No, ma'am.
Biography
No,
of
ma'am.
autobiography of Dr. Hahnemann.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes,
Okay, very good.
Dr. Herring and Dr. Kent पण झाले ma'am.
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
हेरिंग्सचे गाइडलाइन सिम्पटम्स झाले. हेरिंग हाउ द क्युअर शुड बी ते झालंय का तुमचं हेरिंगचं? लॉज ऑफ क्युअर
Yes, ma'am.
कोणते आहेत? 4.
Ma'am झाले.
4 पॉइंट्स कोणते आहेत हेरिंगचे?
त्याच्यात काय दिलंय?
But this is your first question. हेरिंग्स गाइडलाइन फॉर क्युअर. हा, याचा आन्सर मला द्यायचा आहे. ठीक आहे? हा, what happened? Okay, so we will start with the first aphorism. What is aphorism? Do you have any idea what is aphorism? What is aphorism? "47 participants are here. If you are not giving the answer, I will not give you attendance." Now I
Ma'am, information about organon.
huh? What?
Information about organon.
Okay, so these are paragraphs. We can say it may be of 2-line or 3-line paragraphs are there, or पेज पण भरून असतं एखाद्या वेळेस पूर्ण पेज भर ते ऍफोरिझम ते पॅरेग्राफ असतं. सो दॅट स्मॉल पॅरेग्राफ आर नोन और द बिग पॅरेग्राफ दॅट पॅरेग्राफ्स आर नोन ॲज ऍफोरिझम्स. So the 291 aphorisms are present in the 6th edition. From that 291 aphorism, in the second year you are having aphorism number 1 to aphorism number 104. In the third year you will have 105 to 291. So the whole aphorisms are in the third year. Only half of the aphorisms are in the second year. So we will take the first aphorism today. So this is the sign of aphorism. So this is the first aphorism. Somebody has asked me about the books of Organon. So you have to purchase the 6th edition of Organon. शायद आपने ये फर्स्ट ईयर में ही लिया होगा और अभी बाहर जाओ मत खरीदने के लिए. आई एम गिविंग द PPTs और आई एम गिविंग द ऑनलाइन स्टेटमेंट ऑफ दिस aphorism. Please do not go outside to purchase that book. But जब ये सब ठीक हो जाएगा, at that time you have to purchase the 6th edition of Organon. केन्स फिलोसॉफी, एच रॉबर्ट फिलोसॉफी एंड स्टुअर्ट क्लोज फिलोसॉफी की ये 4 बुक्स हमको खरीदने हैं. प्लस यू हैव टू रेफर द सर्टन रेफरेंस बुक्स फ्रॉम आवर लाइब्रेरी. सो जब कॉलेज चालू हो जाएगा, यू विल गेट द बुक्स फ्रॉम योर सीनियर्स एज वेल एज you can also get the books, reference books from your library. Clear? So अभी जो मैं आपको दे रही हूँ उतना ही sufficient है, because it is all the things are uncertain है कि फर्स्ट ईयर के एग्जामिनेशन कब होगी और फिर आपके सेकेंड ईयर के एग्जामिनेशन कब होगी. सो डोंट परचेज द बुक राइट नाउ. द थिंग्स दैट आई एम गिविंग टू यू, दैट इज ओनली सफिशिएंट. क्लियर?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
sir. Ma'am,
हाँ
you asked about the Hering's law of direction of cure, na?
हाँ.
It gets the cure takes place from above downward,
Don't
from
give the
beneath
answer
outward.
now. This is the question for all. Let them think and then post me personally.
Okay, ma'am.
So this is the first aphorism. The physician's high and only mission is to restore the sick to health, to cure as it is termed. सबको स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
हाँ. So the physicians. Physician means he is
Ma'am,
the
screen is not completely seen.
Huh?
Screen is not completely seen.
Why? Now
Zoom in, zoom out.
आता दिसतंय?
हा मॅम दिसतंय आता.
तुम्ही थोडं झूम करा तुमचा मोबाईल किंवा लॅपटॉप नाही तर. आणि हे स्क्रिबल कोणी केलं? ठीक आहे. So this is the first aphorism. The physician means a person who is treating that patient. So the physician's high and the only mission. So this is about the mission of the physician. The very first aphorism will give you the knowledge of this word mission. So what is the mission? So mission is nothing but the aim of that physician. That is the target of that physician. That physician has to do it. ये जो मिशन है, इट इज अ लाइफ टाइम तक वो रहता है. इट इज नॉट द ड्यूटी कि 10 से 5 ड्यूटी कर ली, अपना ऑफिस का काम कर लिया, ओपीडी का काम कर लिया, एंड देन I am not related to the sick person. This is not the mission. This is 24/7 work, and this is a very precious thing that we are giving our knowledge, our क्या बोलते हैं उसको, all the things, our dedication for the sick person. So that is the mission. So mission is not a duty. There is a lot of difference between the duty and the mission. Duty we are doing for the money, but the mission we are doing not for the money, but we are treating the sick person so that his life will be happy, he will be in a zone of comfortness. That's why the word used by Dr. Hahnemann, that is a mission. So the person who is treating that sick person, he is the physician. He is not used the word here a doctor, because always we are using before our name we are using doctor, right? Dr. Shweta Dahale or Dr. Aditya Ugre, right? Or Dr. Bhausaheb Gade. In this way you will write from the second year. But here Dr. Hahnemann has not used the word doctor here, because again there is a difference between the word doctor and a physician. आपने ये सुना होगा, दैट इज अ जनरल फिजिशियन या फैमिली फिजिशियन, ये वर्ड आपने सुने होंगे. सो पहले एक 4-5 साल पहले एक फैमिली फिजिशियन होते थे. अभी भी छोटे गांव में वो होता है, नॉट इन द बिग सिटीज, बट जो छोटे टाउन है वहां पे फैमिली फिजिशियन एक रहता है कि दैट फिजिशियन इज ट्रीटिंग दैट फैमिली फ्रॉम नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स, 5 साल 10 साल वो फिजिशियन वो फैमिली को ट्रीट करता है एंड दैट फिजिशियन नो दैट फैमिली वेरी वेल, so that is the family physician and hence he used the word. एक सेकंड ना, ये अपग्रेड करने के इसमें नोट्स चले गए. So he has not used the word doctor here. The physician is the person who know the past history of that patient, family history of that patient, and that physician. Are you able to see that aphorisms again?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
एक मिनट.
No, ma'am.
अभी दिख रहा है?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear.
ओके, सो ही इज द फिजिशियन कि जिसको वो फैमिली के का पूरा हिस्ट्री उसको पता है, वो फैमिली का पूरा हेल्थ उसके वो उसको पता है, हाउ टू ट्रीट दैट फैमिली, हाउ टू गिव द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मेडिसिन, वेयर टू गिव द एक्यूट पीरियड मेडिसिन, कहाँ पे उसको नोजोड़ देना है. ही नो द कंप्लीट हिस्ट्री एंड दैट इज द फिजिशियन. डॉक्टर यानी आप उसके पास जाओगे, वो आपको मेडिसिन देगा, वो हिस्ट्री भी लेगा, खत्म बात, आप ठीक हो गए या फिर वो पेशेंट ठीक हो गया, अगेन ही विल नॉट विजिट दैट पर्टिकुलर डॉक्टर. सो दैट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द डॉक्टर एंड अ फिजिशियन. दो वी आर राइटिंग डॉक्टर इन फ्रंट ऑफ अवर नेम, बट वी शुड बी अ फिजिशियन. फिजिशियन ही उसको वो पेशेंट के बारे में पूरी हिस्ट्री पता रहती है. द पेशेंट इज कमिंग टू दैट फिजिशियन जनरेशन आफ्टर जनरेशन एंड दैट फिजिशियन के पास वो पेशेंट कोई भी चीज हाइड नहीं करना है. ही इज द फिजिशियन. सो वो फिजिशियन का मिशन क्या है? टू ट्रीट दैट सिक पर्सन. हाँ, लेकिन वो मिशन कैसा है? द फिजिशियंस मिशन इज द हाई. So high means that is the very highest goal of his life. That is the meaning of high. Very much important thing in his life. That is the high. And with that high, he used the word only. So that should be the only goal or the target of his life. There should not be any other duty. There should not be any other thing in his life other than to treat that sick person. That's why he used the word high and only. So physician का एक ही काम है, एक ही मिशन है, that is to restore. Restore यानी जो पहले था but now वो अभी नहीं है, उसको ही हम लोग रिस्टोर करते हैं या रिफिल करते हैं. We know the word refill. So similarly he used the word here restore. So पहले वो sick person में health थी. That patient was healthy before 2 days or before 3 days or before a month, but because of the certain reason he now became a sick. So आपको restore क्या करना है? That health we have to restore. किसकी हेल्थ रिस्टोर करनी है? दैट सिक पर्सन की. एंड दैट इज ओनली द हाई एंड ओनली मिशन ऑफ फिजिशियन. So this is the word meaning or this is the explanation of the first aphorism. कि the physicians, the person who is treating the patient with all the dedication, he is not seeing the time. There is no time limit to seek that person. He is not running behind the money. He is not running behind the pathological findings. He is not running behind the diagnosis. So उसका एक ही मिशन है, दैट इज द हाईएस्ट मिशन. वो कौन सा है? टू ट्रीट दैट सिक पर्सन. और उसकी जो हेल्थ डिरेंज हो गई है, द हेल्थ विच इज नॉट प्रेजेंट नाउ, उसको रिस्टोर करना है. दैट इज द ओनली मिशन ऑफ दैट फिजिशियन. टू क्योर, कब तक आपको करना है? वो ट्रीटमेंट कब तक आपको देना है? जब तक वो सिक पर्सन पूरी तरह से क्योर नहीं हो जाता है. अगेन हियर ही हैज नॉट यूज्ड द वर्ड रिकवर्ड. he used the word here cure. Cure means a complete annihilation of that particular signs and symptoms. अगर पेशेंट के 10 symptoms है and you are only curing the 2 symptoms, that is not the cure. The whole symptoms, the 10 symptoms जो उसके है, it should be completely annihilated from the patient's body. That is nothing but the cure. As it is term, and here एक नंबर दिख रहा है सबको, एक नंबर लिखा है. सो दैट 1 का एक्सप्लेनेशन जो है वो आपके बुक में नीचे दिया हुआ रहता है एंड वो एक्सप्लेनेशन को हम लोग बोलते हैं फुट नोट. So that footnote means the extra information is given regarding that particular word. तो यहाँ पे term word के लिए they use the 1 number and below that they have given the footnote for that particular number. यहाँ तक समझा है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is footnote?
The explanation of that aphorism.
No, not aphorism. The word के ऊपर
Extra
जो
information given below.
Extra information.
for that particular word.
Extra information, ma'am.
Right. So this meeting will over within 3 minutes. Rejoin with the same password and the same ID. Understood? Are you getting or not?
Ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So who is the physician?
Yeah, ma'am.
Who is the physician?
Person treat the patient.
Azul? Azul?
Who knows the complete history? Physician is always ready to be with the patient
Complete
24/7.
symptoms.
हाँ.
Like he has lifetime to cure the patient.
हाँ. So he is not a doctor. He is not giving a temporary service to that sick person, but he is giving his all dedication, all the knowledge only to treat that patient completely. He is not running behind the money. He is not thinking about कि अभी 8 बजे मेरी ओपीडी खत्म हो गई. He is not like that. That's why he used the word physician.
Physician.
Mission के लिए he used the 2 adjectives, high and only. So high means it is the highest. उसके बाद कुछ भी नहीं है. जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, sky is the limit. So वैसे ही है ये. So this
Yeah,
is.
ma'am.
हाँ. What happened? What happened? I'm not audible to you. Hello? Hello?
Audible, ma'am.
Hello.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the meaning of high?
Highest aim.
Highest.
Yes,
Highest.
it should be the highest. There, after that कुछ भी नहीं है. That should be the priority. And only. उसके बाद भी कुछ नहीं आएगा. ना उसके ऊपर कुछ आएगा, ना उसके कम कुछ आएगा. It should be the only target. It should be the
Yeah,
only
ma'am.
mission. So mission means again, it is not the duty of that physician. It is not a time limit. कि मुझे 2 ही घंटे पेशेंट देखना है. After that, I will go to my home and I will see. This is not the mission. This is not the duty. अपने को काम है to seek that, to cure that sick person. To restore is health. जो health पहले उसको थी, अब उसको restore करना है. Restore यानी again उसको store करना है. कब तक? जब तक वो patient cure नहीं हो जाता है. So I will end up here. Rejoin after 2 to 3 minutes and we will take the footnote of this aphorism. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. After 2 minutes, rejoin the meeting. Please take the
ma'am.
screenshot of 47 participants.